Hello students. The first experiment, second program, write a YAC program, evaluate the arithmetic expression involving the operator plus, minus, star and division. So what is YAC? YAC is nothing but yet another compiler. So it generates the C programs. So the YAC generates the parser file, nothing but the y.tab.c. So y.tab.c is nothing but the source code generated by the parser. Here also the same syntax of the YAC, the rule section, definition section, and the subroutine or the main code section. The same, whatever if you are using Lex, the same you can copy paste from the Lex to YAC, but the compilation stuff will be different. And this is the program containing the two parts, Lex part and YAC part. The Lex part is containing only the rule section and the definition section. So this is the definition section, this one is the rule section. Okay, in the definition section I am using the header files. So y.tab.h. So y.tab.h is nothing but the header file generates the parser. This is a familiar, so it will be importing all the mathematical function. Next, one more term I am using extern yy and val. This is the visibility of the variables and functions. Keyword only declared, only it is used for the declaration function purpose, not definition. So YYL VAL, so this is nothing but it converts the string to number and store the values. Then the definition part will be over. The next part is the rule section. 0 to 9 plus YYL VAL ATOI YY text return num. Nothing but here the 0 to 9 plus means the one or more occurrences of the digits. So at least one occurrences of the preceding character it will be text. So YYL VL equal to ATOI. Nothing but it will be convert the string to number. After converting it will be returns the all the integer or numbers. So here, so this one, the 0 to 9 plus YYL VL ATOI YY text return num. Okay, would store the values of the integer in the form of the YYLVL and returns a token integer to YAC. Here we are one range for the tokens. So 0 to 255 reserve characters of the values will be there. So you can use that range only 0 to 255. After you can returns that text means YY text. So YY text is nothing but the matches the pattern stored in this variable. So how many the strings are converted in the form of the number. After the converting the numbers, so all the numbers will be matches with help of the YY text. After matching it will be returns. And here dot, I'm using a dot. This is nothing but one of the statement element I'm using here. And next, after the storing all the values, with help of the backslash of nothing but the new line, so it will be display the one by one. And next one is the YAC part. Though this here also this is the definition section and this one is the rule section. So in the definition section, the common we are using header files, standard input output .h and the standard library .h. So first I'm importing all the header files. After importing the header files, I'm using the tokens as a number. Why I'm using token as a number? Because the in the previous YYLVL it will be convert the strings to number and send that values. Okay, strings to number, send that values. That after the sending the values, so it will be returns in the form of the number. So I'm taken as the number and I'm using the recursion, left side recursion. So plus, minus and multiplication division I'm taken. Already has given the operator, just you can use that operators. And next one is this rule section. So in this rule section, in the left recursion already I'm using the plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to specify that the program consisting 0 or more expressions. Here the each expressions terminated by new line. When the new line will be detected, So we print the values of the expression when we apply the rule. So here expression equal to expression colon expression plus expression in the bracket of dollar dollar equal to $1 plus $3 is there. So here, so we replace the right hand side of the production, okay, the pass stack with the left hand side. So the after we'll get the same production. So in this case, first we should pop. I'm popping expression plus expression and next push expression. So we have the reduction, we have to reduce the stack by popping term. So popping term of that stack, after popping we can push the one term. So here the popping means expression plus expression I'm popping. After the popping the all the stack terms, then later it is pushed to the one term of expression. So expression plus expression popping, expression is pushing. So these all the popping terms will be copy pasted into that expressions. And the values of the stack refer the $1 the first right term right hand side of the production, and $3 the second right hand side of that production, and dollar is nothing but the designated top of the stack. After reduction has been taken place, the values will be associated with the two expressions pop. After that two expression will be pop, the three terms of the values of the stack and push into the single sum. So if the three expressions, first we have associated with the two expression of the pop. So two expressions of a pop, nothing but the $1 and $3. After $1 and $3, the terms of the values of the stack pushed to single sum where exactly it will be stored in the form of the dollar. The same here we are using expression colon expression plus expression $1 plus $3. First I'm using addition, the same you can use a subtraction and multiplication and division. Here if suppose if you have taken division, it should not be 0. Suppose anything is divided by 0, so we will get the 0. So in that case it will be displayed YY error. YY error means simply it will display the text string augment to print. So after printing it will be displayed divided by 0 error. So nothing but the dollar equal to $1 by $3. So $1 is 4, $3 is 0. So automatically we will get the divided by 0. So otherwise it will be checks the expression of dollar equal to $2 and num dollar equal to $1. Suppose the expression is true. So in beginning only I'm using statement expression print result percentage d dollar. So dollar is designated the top of the stack. After reduction has been taken place, the values will be associated the two expressions here popping. After the popping it will be pushed to single term with help of the dollar. So whatever if I get the result, all the result will be stored in the form of the dollar and finally it will be returns the value as 0. And this one is the main program, nothing but a subroutine section. So in this subroutine section the int main wide, okay, this is a common. So here enter the expression, you can enter the any expression, and later I'm using the YY pass. So YY pass is nothing but the read the functions of the tokens and executed action. This is nothing but the executed the some actions same as the void functions. So after exit 0, so int YY error. So suppose whatever if a given expression is correct, so it will be displayed the 14 plus 15. So we'll get the result. So the expression is successfully executed, like that the error will be displayed. Otherwise it will display the int yy error. So print the errors, then finally exit the main program. Yeah, the execution is also same. The first open the terminal. After opening the terminal, just you can type the gedit filename.l. So I'm using the filename.l. Then I'm using the first lex part. After writing the lex part, save and close that lex part. Then next, once again gedit filename.y, nothing but the yak part. After gedit enter, automatically the one dialog box will be comes. So write the code of the yak part, then save it and close. And later write lex filename.l. This is compilation. Then next, yak -d filename.y. This is the compilation for the yak. So here warning is there. Don't worry about warnings. There's no errors. Then next you can use this compilation in a normally we are using the lex. So cc lex.y.c we are using -lr, but here it is a combination of lex and yak. So I'm using the cc lex.y.c y.tab.c -ell for execution of the lex and react program. And later the same process for the execution ./a.out. Then after we get the enter the expression, then enter the any expressions. So 3 plus 4 into 5, so result is 35. The expression is correct. Suppose anything is divided by 0,